Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, back with more special Happy Meal for my Christmas challenge giveaway. It just recently ended and this entry is from Chelsea. Her channel name is Sugar Ray Craft. So Chelsea, thank you so much for joining. I had also previously joined her challenge giveaway and I hope you guys check out her channel. She makes some beautiful crafts, card making, and also fun hauls. So here is the gorgeous card that she made. Look at that beautiful sentiment. It says, creativity is allowing yourself to make mistakes. Art is knowing which ones to keep. That is amazing. I love it. Layers and layers here. This is just beautiful. So Chelsea had said this is kind of a 2-in-1. It's a thank you card for me joining, and also her entry is in here. So let me open this up. I see some extras, but let us read the card. So this was her thank you card. It says, thanks so much for joining my challenge. And she had requested some of the painted papers. So it was really, really fun. So Chelsea, thank you very much. Now let me show you the cute extras that she has included. Look at these. I love it. We have little die cuts of deers. And I love that. This is like a vintage little gift wrapping paper, but it reminds me of, you know, like border trims for the wallpaper. She gave me a little snowflake die cut, which I will all be using in my December daily. Look at this amazing image. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. And she made me an ATC card. So here it is. Oh my goodness. So Chelsea's joined a lot of my giveaways also in the past. I'm really thankful for your friendship and also taking time. I know everyone's been busy. This is so cute. She has used some of the images from this little print here. And I love that it says Noel. Look at these cute little flat backs. I love, they look like sugar gumdrops with the glitter on top. And then we have the holly over here. Let me see if there's some information in the back real quick. So in the back of her ATC is her YouTube name, Sugar Ray Crafts, and her favorite colors are brown. Her crafty style is any. I love it. Super beautiful. Again, Chelsea, thank you so much for this amazing ATC. I love the Christmas theme here. Guys, if you want to see a playlist, make sure to check out the giveaway playlist I'll be attaching. Also, make sure to check out Chelsea's channel, Sugar Ray Crafts. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.